this is one of my raised beds that I planted. So, yeah, I'm just gonna top it off, and I'm gonna dump this load in, and then dump a couple loads in there, and then mix it around and see where we get. Okay, so I got the first load dumped in with the TYN. I'm gonna go get a rake it out, and yeah. Okay, that did some nice coverage, just the one load. So I'm gonna get my neighbor's John Deere 1025R and the B260 backhoe, and use the backhoe to dig out, just dig it up and mix it all around with the dirt that was below it. So yeah. So all I was doing there is digging down and getting some of that dirt underneath and bringing it to the top. Now I'm gonna get you guys a good time lapse of me using the shovel in it and smoothing it back out again. So yeah, let's start doing that. That'd be the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video, me preparing my garden for planting season and to put some plants in it for the spring. But yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this one. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.